So ability of the lungs, heart and blood vessels to deliver adequate amount of oxygen. Adequate means the required amount of, means like what amount I require to do certain amount of exercise or certain amount of physical activity, that amount of oxygen I want. Okay, so adequate means as per the requirement. Okay, amount of oxygen to deliver the cell means the working cells or जे काही cells इन्वॉल्ड आहे फंक्शनिंग मध्ये और नॉन इन्वॉल्ड सेल्स जे असतात त्यांना सुद्धा ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय केला जातो. ठीक आहे. टू मीट द डिमांड ऑफ प्रोलॉंग फिजिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी. टू मीट द डिमांड म्हणजे काय, जी प्रोलॉंग म्हणजे जास्त वेळासाठी जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करायची त्याची जी डिमांड आहे त्या डिमांडला पूर्ण करण्यासाठी हा कंटिन्यू ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय होत असतो. We will understand how the cardiovascular system work. You can see here, this is a heart, okay? Can you see here in center? This is a heart. The right side and left side, you can see the blue color and the red color, right? So if you see the blue color, this is unpure blood. If you look at the red color, that is high oxygenated blood is there. Means more amount of oxygen is there in the blood. Okay. So what happened when the deoxygenated means unpure blue color veins you can see. So deoxygenated blood is collected through the veins, right? So veins comes to the heart of right part of the heart, and then from here it goes to the lungs. The blood goes to the lungs. From lungs it get purified because we breathe, oxygen comes in the lungs and the carbon dioxide moves out of the lungs. So gas exchange take place in the lungs. After that, the full of oxygen goes back to the left side of the heart. From here, it passes through entire upper and lower part of the body, right? So, what is endurance actually? Endurance is prolonged physical activity. So, under this prolonged physical activity, there are two meanings. Okay, I'll explain you two meanings. Meaning number one, okay, so we can see here the meaning number one is delayed in fatigue. Okay, accumulation of lactic acid delays means what? The fatigue situation postpones, right? Because why I'm saying this? Because there is a connection between the lactic acid and the fatigue. Because when the lactic acid is more, your body goes in the fatigue because lactic acid opposes muscle. When there is a no muscle contraction, there is no further movements. Okay, so it is very important to know why it happens so. So lactic acid has direct connection with a fatigue. Simultaneously, something good happen, and that something good is energy store increases. When the energy store increases, it means your capacity to function for a longer duration is increases. Got it? And that is why this exercise is dominative for volume, not for the intensity. Right? So we are going to see here how this calculation takes place. Now you can see here endurance. Endurance itself says for a longer duration where the fatigue can be postponed and lactic acid accumulation can be delayed. Right? So in endurance, you can see the intensity is a moderate and the volume of load is high. Now, if I want to explain you what is the volume of load in relation, so you can understand from here, volume is denote to the duration and frequency, right? So volume denotes to the duration, frequency. Frequency can be understood as a repetitions or numbers, right? And density is a how hard, how high, and how fast you are doing any exercise or anything. So it is how hard you perform something. Suppose if I'm running 100-meter sprint, it is very hard for me than doing simple jogging, right? So high efforts is there with the speed when I'm running for 100-meter. But if I'm running a long marathon or 42 kilometers marathon, my volume means you can see here the duration or distance. You can call it as duration or distance. So distance is very, very high. My intensity, it's not like a walk simple or it's not a jog simple. It is good enough moderate intensity, and I'm running for a longer duration and longer distance. ठीक है. So cardiovascular endurance, increasing your energy store capacity to function for a long duration of time. Cardiovascular is a system. It is a system combinedly counted as heart, lungs, and the vascular or blood vessels. Right? Blood vessels means the network which circulate the blood throughout the body. Right? Capillaries, you can say the capillaries, which called as a blood vessels, which passes the oxygen to entire body. Right? Endurance means the longer duration, delaying fatigue, delaying accumulation of lactic acid, which perform with a moderate intensity and high volume. Right? So I hope you understand what is cardiovascular endurance.